What's up? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek, and today we're going to talk about selling Google Ads versus SEO, specifically to local businesses. So which do I prefer? Why? Which do I sell more of? All that good stuff. My name's Ed. I'm one of the owners here at ClicksGeek. We're a Google Premier Partner Agency, and we specialize in Google Ads for local business, local service-based businesses. So basically, if you need the phone to ring for business, give us a shout. That's what we do. So selling Google Ads versus SEO. I'm going to go through kind of the pros and cons of each. With Google Ads, you are paying a premium to jump the line and get in front of the entire pack. You're paying high click costs in some markets, and you have higher acquisition costs to do so. The trade-off is speed, right? So if it takes you 3, 6, 9 months to get to the front of the first page of Google and in Google Maps and getting leads that way, you could literally be there in the first or second day with Google Ads, and that's the trade-off. So if you need leads coming in very quickly, or you want more leads coming in very quickly to supplement your current base of leads, Google Ads is an awesome platform for that. The trade-off is cost. So that's one thing to think about. Now, SEO. It's going to take you 3, 6, 9, 12 months to start performing well and to get a return on investment. Does the client have that capital to continue to sink in month over month, not seeing lots of results, but you kind of building up that groundswell behind the scenes? Does the client have that intestinal fortitude to keep it going, to keep investing in SEO? We both know it works, but does the client know it works? And that's kind of what you're going to be up against. Believe it or not, I believe it's easier to sell SEO because SEO is such a bigger traffic play than Google Ads is. You get to, combined package. You get let's say you charge $1,500 a month for SEO services, and then let's say you charge $1,500 a month for Google Ads and the ad budget. Let's say it's another $3,000. So $4,500 sale versus $1,500 a month sale. I think it's easier to sell SEO because you're also selling the dream of ranking well and flooding that business with an endless supply of leads, and the insanely high profit margin that comes from an SEO'd lead that comes in that turns into a deal. Profit margin is just way better on the SEO side of things. The issue is it takes a long time to get there. And does the client have that intestinal fortitude to stick with it? And do you have the chops to get them there? And, is there enough trust built in that relationship that they trust you moving forward without, hounding you day in and day out, asking where all their leads are? Which do I prefer to sell? Well, considering I only sell Google Ads, I would say I prefer to sell Google Ads. Although I've sold a lot of SEO, I just prefer selling Google Ads because most businesses want that immediate, they need immediacy. They need leads coming in quickly. That's why I prefer the Google Ads side of things. However, sold in tandem, they're an awesome 1-2 punch. Whether it's SEO and retargeting ads or SEO and search ads, it's a beautiful 1-2 punch and offers a lot of stability from a client perspective, but then also from a client management perspective. If you can get them leads coming in very quickly and you can do your SEO work in the background, it'll make your life a lot easier, not having to be hounded with phone calls asking, why is my phone not ringing type of stuff. Meanwhile, you're like, I just built my 4th link. What do you mean, why is the phone not ringing? But that's, sometimes improperly set expectations can burn the relationship. I think SEO and Google sold in tandem is a beautiful thing because it kills 2 birds with 1 stone. It gives the client what they want immediately, which is the phone ringing and revenue coming in. Gives you time to build out your the structural, the technical SEO, the structural SEO, and then the link building and the content and all that. That stuff takes time. So gives you the time to do what you need to do, gives the client what they want. I think it's a match made in heaven. So while I don't sell SEO services anymore, I'm a believer in it. We do it for our own business. We do it for some joint venture projects we're in. We still love it. We don't sell it. But I can tell you all the agencies that we work with, our best white label clients are agencies that are out there selling SEO. So they come to us to white label Google Ads. They sell SEO and perform that. And it's a good match for not only for the agency but also for the end user client as well, because they can get that quick return on investment and start reinvesting that capital. It gives the agency more time to do their thing, and it's beautiful. So Google Ads versus SEO, which do I like selling better? Me personally, Google Ads. I think SEO is an easier sale, but I also like the immediacy of Google Ads and the scalability of it. That's why I went that route. And yeah, that's why I sell it. So I hope this helps. My name is Ed. I'm one of the partners here at ClicksGeek. We're a Google Ads premier partner agency, and we specialize in lead gen for local business. We also do a lot of white label for other agencies and consultants and marketing companies. And we also teach this stuff. So we've got courses. I'll drop some links below to our website and some courses that we have for Google Ads training and getting marketing clients and landing pages and all that kind of stuff. But if you have any questions, you just drop them in the comment or hit us up on our website. Hope this helps and have a great day. See you guys. Bye.